Hi everybody, and welcome again to Big Matt's Computers. So, in this video, guys, today we just have a quick one on a build I'm doing for a customer. This is it, and it's functioning. Obviously this isn't it, because it's going to go into a case eventually. This would be pretty sad if this is how I tried to ship it to the customer. They'd be none too impressed, but no, this is it in all its working glory, just to make sure all the components work. So we've got a GT 1030 graphics card, a i3 2100 CPU. We've got 8 gigs of RAM there, and dual channel, 2 4 gig sticks, DDR3, DVD burner, and the power supply there. And over here, we've got our hard drive, 2.5 inch, 1 terabyte. So very, very shortly, this will all be going into a case, and it'll be shipped off to the customer tomorrow. Now this will be able to do some gaming. It'll be ideal for the likes of Fortnite, Apex Legends, DOTA 2, those sort of games. So yeah, they will be able to get the game on mildly with this bad boy once it's all in the case and complete. Alright guys, anything else noteworthy about this build? Nothing I can really think of at the moment. 500 watt power supply there. And yeah, so this is another build for another customer. It'll all go into a case, and I'm sure they'll be happy with it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time around at Big Matt's Computers. Bye.